what's the dealio? What are we picking up?
So Ron, we dropped his Cullinan off to him after we put the new Vossens on, and it's got red brake calipers and orange interior, and it really clashes.
Yes, it does.
It does not look right. I mean, even around the Rolls-Royce on the wheel on the center cap, there's a little orange pinstripe, and that and the red together looks like garbage. So we're gonna pull the calipers, get them powder coated, put them back on, and then we're also gonna pick up. He ended up getting his wife brand new 992 Cabriolet Techart body kit Porsche Turbo S. Beautiful. I'm excited to drive that one. Nate wanted the Rolls-Royce.
Yeah.
On today's adventure, picking up Ron's Turbo S Cabriolet. This thing is rad. Oh, this thing is nasty. I love me a Porsche! All of them, doesn't matter which one.
Holy crap, it's so quiet. It's like, obviously the camera won't pick it up, but you can't like hear a thing. It's just a tiny bit of like wind noise. It's the most quiet car I've ever driven, I would say. Wow, this thing does get a lot of attention. Crazy, because it's just like a murdered out SUV. You wouldn't expect it to be like everyone looking.
How is she?
So, dude?
Sounds fantastic.
Yeah, this sounds awesome. It's got to have a tune and an exhaust, I think. I need it. A convertible in my life. This and the coast. Just up and down the West Coast in this. And my wife.
It fits you great.
Thank you. I feel right at home. I think I would have chosen a different color, but I do like chalk. I ran out of fuel there once in a Bugatti. Yep. That was an experience. It's hot. Getting on the freeway.
Oh, Tyrell's a quitter. He's putting the top up.
This has to have a tune on it. Oh my gosh. Can't believe how fast this got to 65. Oh, the downshift of this car is insane. And the crackles in the tune on this, they're perfect. Some of them are a little much. But this one, it's got everything you ever want. Is that just the right noise? It is.
How was it? Looked fun.
Dude, Porsches never disappoint, right? But this is, I don't know who built it, and I'd like to find out, but they did the full Techart body kit. It's got the Techart wheels, Techart steering wheel, I mean the full kit. All these little carbon bits are added aftermarket. It has to have some type of a tune, some type of an exhaust on it, because it boogies. This one's definitely the quickest 992 body I've driven so far. Just gonna see if we can try to get some adjustment in this bumper, because we have this gap here where it's touching, and then we have this gap that's over here that's extremely different. And that's kind of the problem that you run into with aftermarket body kits is some of them are made out of fiberglass. This one's actually plastic, which is nice, and it's actually made out of the same type of material a factory one came with. No matter what, I don't think anybody builds a bumper aftermarket as good as factory, but this is definitely close. So let's hope that we can maybe just cinch that up, kind of get it tightened up in here, do a little cleanup on it, and get it back to them so they can enjoy it for the summer. That thing is sick, Nate.
Is that what yoga feels like?
That's what yoga feels like.
That's what yoga feels like?
Yeah, that's exactly what yoga feels like.
Oh my gosh, it's so quiet.
Isn't that insane?
It's quiet, it's
like you can have a bullet bike pass you on the freeway and be like,
yeah. No, all I heard was the crackles from this was do-do-do-do.
do we got going on here today, Sven?
Today we are doing some of my bread and butter work, which is just a Lamborghini service. We got oil change, inspection. Yeah, let's get started.
Snap-on, only the best.
It's more than you can afford, pal. It's the best part of my job here. New tools that are functional. Yeah.
What's up with these tools being on the smaller end, Sven?
So that's the one way to sell me a tool. The smaller you can make it, the faster I'll buy it. All my secrets, Vinny.
What secrets?
All my secrets.
How many bolts is there that you have to leak for this?
17.
Are you being for real?
Yep.
Why is there 17 versus just one like a normal car?
This is a dry sump system, and technically there's only 5.
Got him!
Mr. Sven, all the people, we finished up the Lamborghini. We got some other projects coming up, but tell the people of YouTube what they need to do now.
Click like and subscribe. Hey, what are we talking about?
Good enough, good enough. We'll see him on the next one, right?